Don't say it.
Okay, ready?
Don't say it. I'm not ready.
Okay, 1.
Wait.
Oh my gosh. What is up, TELEPATHY squad? And we're back with a video. And so today we are going to be doing Bring the Salon Home Kisses Salon. Just so y'all know, this is not a sponsored video. We just got this from Walmart. Well, from our local Walmart.
Yes, you can get this from any Walmart.
Also any hair store because they also have no nail stuff over there.
Yeah.
And we got this for $9 at Walmart. So if you want to go get it, you can go get it. But this is definitely not a sponsored video. So yeah, and what we're gonna be doing first is we're gonna be playing Twin Telepathy.
Yeah. All right, so let's get this started. Make sure you hit that like button if you guys want another one. One, two, three.
Natural. What is it?
This one.
Natural?
Yeah.
Oh,
a point.
Brush on gel or the activator?
Ooh, this is hard.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Brush on gel.
Yeah.
What did you pick? Oh, okay.
Woo! 2 points.
Okay.
2, 3. Brush.
Yes.
Ready?
Okay, ready?
1,
set,
2, 3.
Dipping powder.
Woo!
Yeah.
Don't say it.
Okay, ready?
Don't say it. I'm not ready.
Okay, 1.
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
All right, let's go.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. The
This
following.
thing.
What did you pick, Joe? Yeah. Okay, guys. So now we're just going to be focusing on our hands, and so before we find our nails, we're going to be pushing.
What is this called?
I don't know what that's called. Let's do that first.
Well, we're just gonna be pushing this back, and then we're going to be using this file and just brush it, so that it can be easier for us to put on the nails.
Okay, guys. So now we're done, and now we're gonna buff our nails, so we can start putting on the tips,
so it can be easy.
Okay, guys. So what we have done so far is we have pushed our cuticles down. I think that's what they call it.
Yeah, and then we buffed our nails out like that, and now we're going to start putting the powder into the dipping tray. Yeah, so it won't be hard whenever we have our nails on.
Okay.
It's gonna be so cool.
This is so exciting.
Make sure you do it where's the opening?
Oh my gosh, it didn't even open right. There. Alright. Okay, I just made a little hole.
I just opened it all the way up.
Oh, look at how cool that looks. It's pink.
And it goes so smooth. So I'm filling it all up, so.
Me too.
It looks so cool. I just want to touch it. Okay, guys, so we're going to be finding our nails now.
And for my nails, I think I'm going to use clear, the natural one.
Yeah, that's the one we picked in Twin Telepathy. So I'm just going to take them all out.
Okay, guys, so now we have found our sizes, our size, and now we're just going to take the glue and we're going to apply the nails.
Yes. Ow. It's so hard to open. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm just going to start with the pinky.
I'm going to start with my thumb. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we have one set on, and now we're going to go to our second hand.
Yeah, but before I go to the second hand, I want to file it more because I don't really like the shape.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the clippers and I'm gonna clip it down because we have done so many long nail videos, and I just want to try something new and make them shorter. So I'm gonna make them shorter. Please say I did not hurt myself. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's try it like this first. Ugh.
You need help?
So hard. Yeah. I got this. No, I got this. I got this. Okay guys, so we just got done, and so now we're going to be adding more brush on glue, but to the whole entire nail and to our nail, and we're gonna put it into the dipping powder.
It's gonna be so exciting, so let's get this started. And now we're finna dip it in. Let's get started.
So what we're first gonna do is we're gonna put more of the brush powder on, but we're actually gonna put it on our nail.
Yeah.
And also, I'm so scared to do this, y'all. I don't want to mess it up.
So I have a long nail, so I might take up more. And Amiya has small nails, so.
Okay, so I'm gonna dip it in. Oh gosh, I'm so scared. I don't want it to. Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. I'm gonna leave it in there for some.
Now my turn.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So I'm gonna wait till Akaya's done to brush it all off.
So I just put mine in there. Oh my gosh, y'all.
Actually, y'all, I changed my mind. I'm gonna put some more brush paint. I'm gonna start the other one, and then once I'm done with
you could do a
this one,
second
I'm gonna
coat.
put that one.
You could do a second
Once
coat.
I do this one, I'm gonna take off this one.
And then you gotta make sure that you brush this off. So the brush, you can't put it back in after this. So after you do the second one,
Whenever you're doing the
this
second
off,
coat,
yeah.
you can't put it back in. So let's see.
Taking it out. Ooh, look at this, y'all! Look at this! Oh, hold on. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking all the excess off. Not all of this.
No,
I have to
brush
wait.
it. I'm gonna brush it for this one. Oh my gosh!
If you do get this, make sure you're neat with it because there's a lot of mess going around. Taking it out. One more.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do my pinky.
Oh. Okay, so now on to the next one.
And I'm gonna put it in.
I'm so excited to see how this is gonna turn out. I'm gonna do it like, I'm not gonna sponge it all out one at a time. Okay, you guys, so now I am doing my other finger.
And I'm going to be adding activator to all my hands.
So will that like make it clear so you could like paint it?
No, I think it'll just make it smooth.
Yeah, probably. And then you're gonna add the color, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm just gonna add some more to make it smoother. Because I kind of don't think it's all the way smooth yet. But I'm gonna add some more.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm just putting on the activator for my nails. And Amiya is getting ready to paint hers.
So yeah, y'all know these are like really hard. Like they're like rough and stuff. So the nail polish I'm gonna be getting is I'm gonna be getting this like metallic nail polish.
Oh, that's gonna be pretty.
I got silver nail polish. And I also got these two purples.
Are you gonna be alternating it?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
So I'm gonna wait till you're done.
No, you don't have to. Okay, guys, so let's get started.
Okay, so I'm gonna use for the metallic, I'm gonna paint my thumb and my middle finger.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna be going over it a few times because I don't want it to be looking not full. Because if it looks not full, then what's the point? You know? So let me just go over it like that. And now we're finishing up the second game. This is really good. I like mine.
Yeah, I like mine's too.
It's so cute and bright.
Mine's are like kind of like all different shades of colors. So yeah, we'll be back whenever we're done.
Okay, guys, so we're done. And comment in the community tab who you think won.
And also, guys, I like my nails so much. It looks so cute.
Yes, yes. And the product that we use is Kisses right here. And the pack in here, it either has the white or the natural. And we use the natural because the natural shows like more of the, I don't know, what would you say? Like
I
it
think
shows
it looks
more of the
the
color.
same.
Yeah. It like shows more of the color, but if you use the white, it doesn't matter. You can use either one. It'll probably both look the same. But we just use natural, and this is how natural turned out for the long and the short. And that's all we use. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you try to get this to 2K likes and subscribe.
And just so y'all know, guys, that this was not a sponsored video.
This was not. This was just something we picked up. And yeah, hope you like it. Peace out.